Hey there, welcome back to Root and Remedy. If you're worried about your cholesterol and want natural ways to improve your heart health, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful foods that can help lower your bad cholesterol, also known as LDL, naturally and effectively. No gimmicks, just simple foods you can add to your daily diet to protect your heart and feel great. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a bonus tip that can boost your results even more. Why lowering bad cholesterol matters. Before we jump into the foods, let's quickly talk about why lowering bad cholesterol is so important. Bad cholesterol, or LDL, can build up in your arteries, making it harder for blood to flow, which increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. The good news: you can influence your cholesterol levels with your lifestyle, especially with what you eat. That's why including the right foods is so critical. First up, oats. Oats are loaded with a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which helps reduce the absorption of cholesterol in your bloodstream. Eating a bowl of oatmeal in the morning or adding oats to smoothies or baking recipes is an easy way to get this benefit. Studies show that consuming about 3 grams of soluble fiber daily, roughly 1 bowl of oats, can lower your LDL by up to 5 to 10%. Plus, oats keep you full longer, helping with weight management, which also benefits your heart. Tip: try overnight oats with fruits and nuts for a delicious, heart-healthy breakfast. Next are nuts, especially walnuts and almonds. These nuts are packed with healthy, unsaturated fats, fiber, and plant sterols that actively lower LDL cholesterol. Walnuts also have omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation in your arteries. Just a small handful, about 1 ounce daily, can improve your cholesterol numbers. Be mindful of portions because nuts are calorie-dense, but the benefits are definitely worth it. Pro tip: sprinkle chopped walnuts on salads or add almonds to your yogurt for a tasty crunch. Third on our list is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which don't lower LDL directly, but increase the good HDL cholesterol and reduce triglycerides, another harmful fat in your blood. Eating fatty fish at least twice a week can improve your overall cholesterol profile and protect your heart. If you're vegetarian or vegan, consider algae-based omega-3 supplements as an alternative. Number 4 is beans and legumes. Think lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans. They're high in soluble fiber and plant protein, which help lower LDL cholesterol. Beans also promote better blood sugar control and keep you full longer, aiding in weight management. Adding beans to soups, set salads, or making bean-based dips is an easy way to include them in your diet. Last but not least, olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil. This oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that lower LDL cholesterol and improve artery function. Use olive oil as your main cooking oil or drizzle it on salads and veggies for flavor and health benefits. Avoid refined oils and instead opt for cold-pressed, high-quality olive oil to get the most nutrients. Here's a bonus tip to supercharge your heart health. Stay active and manage stress. Regular physical activity helps raise good HDL cholesterol and lowers bad LDL. Plus, managing stress with meditation, yoga, or deep breathing can reduce inflammation that harms your arteries. Pair these lifestyle habits with the foods I shared, and you'll be on the path to a healthier heart. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or family who might benefit. Do you already eat some of these foods? Or do you have other favorite heart-healthy foods? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe to Root and Remedy for more natural health tips and remedies. See you next time.